here we go. Good, quick resistance band workout. I'm going to show you 6 different exercises, 3 for your upper body, 3 for your lower body. And the goal here is going to be for you to do 3 sets of 8 repetitions of each exercise. I'm just going to show you 1 set of each exercise, and the goal will be for you to do these 3 times for 8 repetitions. So the first one is we're going to be standing on the yellow resistance band. We've got the handles in our hands. Knees are together. We're going to raise the bands up to about shoulder height or as close as you can get it. Keeping our posture in place. Using the muscles of our upper back and our shoulders. We're going to do 8 repetitions. That's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Second exercise, we're going to be in the same position. I'm just going to turn my palms to face forward. And now I'm going to raise the handles up as close to my shoulders as I can bring them. I'm bending my elbows, keeping my elbows tucked against my sides. Straightening my arms, and bending the elbow to pull my hands as close to my shoulders as I can get them. Doing 8 repetitions. So there'll be 2 more. Good. Okay. So the last upper body exercise, I'm going to take my feet off of the band. I'll let it come up behind me. And I'm going to not use the handles this time. Instead, I'm just going to have the actual band in my hands. I'm going to bring the band as high on my back as I can. It can be down here if it needs to be, or if you can get it up higher, we'll get it up higher. I'm going to make a fist, keeping the band in my hands. I'm going to start with my elbows against me, making a fist, closing the band in my hands. I'm going to push my arms straight ahead of me and bring them back in. And then bring my elbows back into my body. So push it straight ahead, elbows back in. We're going to do it 8 times. It's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Okay, I'm going to let the bands back down. Now what I'm going to do is, for right now, I'm going to leave the band behind me. I'm going to take the handles and I'm going to, so I've got both handles in my palm. I'm going to lace my fingers together so that I'm holding the handles just like this. They're cradled in between my hands. I'm going to sit and place my feet back on top of the band. Then it's coming across the front of my ankle up to where I've still got them in my hands. what I'm gonna do is keeping my hands right in front of my hips. I'm gonna stand and sit back down. So I've got my elbows against my body, my hands right here in front of my hips. We're gonna stand and sit 8 times. Bringing the handles with us every time. So that's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. So still got the handles here, same place. I'm going to, next time I'm going to stand up. And as I stand up, I'm going to push the handles straight out in front of me. So it's going to look like this. I'll stand up, push the handles straight out in front of me, let them come back together. Stand up, handles out, back in. Okay, let's start that. We're going to do 8 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Okay. Last of the 3 lower body exercises. This time, we still have the handles in the same position. They're between our knees. But what I'm going to do before I stand up is I'm going to push the handles straight out ahead of me. So my arms are straight while I'm sitting. It's almost like I have an imaginary wooden pole running from my belly button and connecting to the handles of this band. So I can't bring them closer. They're always pushed as far away as they can be from my body. And this is where I'm going to keep them all the time as I stand and sit. Stand with my arms extended, sit with my arms extended. Okay, let's do 8 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, doing great, almost there. 6, 7, 8. Excellent. So now you can stop the video, start it again, try and do the entire video 3 separate times.